doing the you fix it yourself
home repair.
Home repair, and now we're here. I had a lot of company at the time we were putting down the linoleum, and I would have showed you guys quite a bit of journey on how to. You have to put it in with excess, get it straight, kick it while standing in the corner and kicking this side. Anyway, there's a lot of work, and perhaps it'll be a whole nother. I'd rather not even show anybody how to do linoleum, but anyway, it's done. It's glued down because there's going to be a big old cart rolling on this. I have my concerns as to whether or not it'll last. But then, because the concerns of having 5.5 inches, we built a frame. Now, you might wonder why this one's sticking out more than that one. The drain pipe is going to drop down into that. Being it's going to be a lot of weight in water and in a person, we put studs on 6-inch centers. And then we just put stiffeners in there, and we're going to put plywood on top of that. So, being this is a job that hasn't been done before by me, I'm saying this is going to be enough, and I certainly hope it will be. And that's. I put my coat on because it got colder. I'm trying to put my coat on because I forgot it here, and I'm going to make sure I carry it out with me anyway. I am standing with my 260 pounds on the platform which will hold the tub and let the lift go underneath it. But in the process, we found out that there was no gasket on the bottom of the existing tub, and the plumbing didn't have any supports, which it's now steadier, but plumbing didn't have any supports. We're going to fasten that, and we're going to change the length because we came up 9.5 inches at the down the spout, the bathtub spout, and we're going to put 2 shutoffs down here so that you can reach through. Found out that this column is 1 inch lower than this column, so we're going to fix that. We found out the bottoms are thinner than the tub, so we're going to fix that. So we're going to change the face of this. So we're having to do a lot, which is normal. But this is how it's going. And we'll see.